Welcome back to the Blind 75, and today we'll be solving two-sum. With two-sum, we're given an array of integers called nums and our target integer called target. Our objective will be to return the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target value that we want. A brute force approach would be to use nested loops, and that would compare every number against another number until we find the pair that adds to our integer. While that may work, it's not going to be the most optimal solution since we'd have an O of n squared time complexity. So instead, we're going to use a hash map to achieve our desired solution, that being O of n space and time complexity. So the idea with our solution will be to loop through the array, and as we're looping through our array, we'll be storing the numbers that we've already seen inside of a dictionary. The key will be the number itself and the value will be the index. So while we're iterating and calculating difference, which will be target minus the current number, we'll then check if we've seen the number needed to reach the target. And if we have, we would have found our solution. So time to code it up. We'll first begin with creating an empty dictionary, and this dictionary will store the number and its index. So later we can check and see whether or not we've already seen the value. Then we're going to create a for loop that enumerates the nums so we can access both the index I and the value j. Then we're going to find out what the difference will be. So if our target is 7 and j is 4, we need the difference to be 3 because 3 plus 4 is 7. Then we're going to check and see if our difference is in the hash map. And the reason to do this is because instead of scanning the entire array, we can just instantly check whether the matching number already exists. And if it does, we can just return the index of the previously seen number and the current index. Otherwise, we'll just store the current number and its index into the dictionary, and so that way a future iteration can use it. This solution gives us like the optimal solution, which is O of n space and time complexity. So hopefully you found this useful. Like and follow for more.